The next company we have on the list is PayPal Holdings, PYPL. This one's a little bit different. It has a couple of flaws from the support line and the resistance line. So we've got the support line here in red, and you see that the price meets the support line several times, 3 times here. So it hits support, resistance, support, back to support, then resistance. But you can see that it bounces in the middle. Okay, so this blue line here breaks up the floors or the levels. It hits this new support line, goes back up to the resistance, hits this new support line, goes back up to resistance. We can tidy this up a little bit. There you go. To resistance line, but it breaks through the support and hits the original support line here. So you could say you've got 2 trends in one. Okay, so the first trend is the main one here. So we've got support and resistance, hits the support, resistance, back down, hits the resistance, and it doesn't actually touch this support line until, that's how long it takes, until 63 days. Okay, so this is one trend that we can identify, and then we have another trend here. Now, because this is broken through this support line, has touched the new support line, probably look at this trend in that's the most current trend we have now. So this is what this is the support line that the price is on right now. Let's go through the checklist. Upwards trend, yes. How many bounces has it had in an upwards position? So 1, 2, 3, and it's kind of the 4th one. So it's pretty good that bounces are going upwards, even though it's jumped a few levels or one level. Higher highs, high bounced. You can call that not really a bounce, it's just sitting on the support line here. So give that a pass. Goes up, yep, the highs higher than the previous one, it bounces, higher than the previous one, bounces, keeps on doing that. So yep, higher highs, higher lows, yes, that is consistent as well. And what is the percentage of growth from the support line? Now again, we'll probably wait for this to turn back on itself. So it goes down and comes back up. It's currently sitting at this price here. Let's see how much that will be, how much the growth will be if we were roughly to wait on the price return to about somewhere like here. And we're looking about, let's get this done properly, about say 13.8. Let's write it down. %, and let's just round this off to how could I change that? Let's just do 14. Okay, so let's go recap on our checklist. All-time historical trend in the upward position, yes. 2 bounces or more in the upward trend, that is yes. Higher highs, yes. Higher lows. Now, I did say yes before, but when you look at this now, I'll still say yes because we're looking on this trend here. So that low, yeah, but that low is actually lower than this one. So I'll say no, it hasn't got a higher low on this. If you plot this low here, it is lower than this one here, so that's a no for that one. Okay, let's jump into the next stock to review.